Welcome to Explain the Charts. Today is March 11th, 2025, and we're diving deep into the QQQ NASDAQ ETF, analyzing both the latest news and chart data. Recent headlines indicate a significant market sell-off, driven by recession fears and uncertainty surrounding President Trump's trade policies. The NASDAQ experienced its worst day since 2022, and this has created significant volatility. We need to correlate this with the chart. Looking at the daily chart, we see a recent sharp decline, confirming the news we just discussed. It's important to identify potential support levels where the price might bounce. Let's examine the 1-hour chart to pinpoint these areas more precisely. Switching to the 1-hour chart, we can see even clearer price action and potential support and resistance zones. Notice how the price reacted around the 470 level during the most recent trading sessions. This area could act as initial support. If we look at previous candles around the beginning of March, we can see a further resistance point around 500. Now, let's zoom in using the 15-minute chart for a more granular view. This time frame is useful for identifying short-term trading opportunities and potential reversal patterns. On the 15-minute chart, we observe that the $470 level held as support earlier today, but the recent bounce off that price wasn't very strong. This suggests the bears may overpower the bulls soon. A break below $470 could lead to further downside, potentially testing lower support around $460. Short-term, a bullish scenario would require a break above the $480 level, with confirmation from the hourly chart. Remember, these are just potential scenarios, and market conditions can change rapidly. Pay close attention to upcoming economic data and news events that could impact market sentiment. Let's recap. Key price levels to watch include support around $470 and resistance around $480. A break below support increases the likelihood of testing lower levels like $460. A breakout above $480, although appearing unlikely, may signal a short-term bullish trend. Considering the recession fears and President Trump's policy uncertainty, a short-term bearish trend is more likely than not. However, please perform your own due diligence. That's all for today's analysis. Be sure to subscribe to Explain the Charts for more insights. Happy trading!